Here's the birdhouse. Here's the big macaws. This is over here at Parrot Plus in Glen Burnie, near Glen Burnie. Hey fellas, what do you say? What do you say, guys? How you doing? Another macaw, a macaw and a macaw. Macaw for you all. Hey fellas. Hey fellas. Hey fellas. And I'm not sure what these are over here. Got all kind of birds. Got some parrots down here. What's the matter over there? Somebody's not happy with me making the movies. Why are you so bashful? Why are you so bashful? I don't know this guy. Hey big fella, what do you say? Coming to get your picture taken? Mr. McCall? Mr. McCall? Coming to get the picture taken. And there's a kitty cat that doesn't seem upset by the birds one way or the other at all. Hey big fella, what you guys doing? You can look out the window? Are you looking out the window? Hey there, bobbing up and down. I know you guys are smart. We know you're smart. And we got the little pink one, another big green one here. And oh, you guys. Oh, okay. Don't be upset. I'm just making a movie. Hey there. Hey there. Hey there. All the little parakeets. We got all the little parakeets.